the very previous video on Nasadiya Sukta, we stood before one of the greatest mysteries ever contemplated by humanity. A time when there was neither existence nor non-existence. No heaven, no earth, no death, no immortality. And perhaps no one knew how creation began. The hymn even tells us that the gods themselves came after the creation. But elsewhere in the Rigveda, another vision emerges. Not a vision of uncertainty, neither a question, but rather a grand cosmic revelation. A vision of a being so vast that the entire universe was only a small fraction of its existence. A being from whom the heavens arose, from whom the earth emerged, and from whom all living creatures came forth. And according to this very hymn, the gods themselves performed a sacrifice using that very cosmic being as offering. And how can the gods perform a sacrifice if they themselves came later? The Purusha Sukta does not answer that question. Because unlike the Nasadiya Sukta, it is not concerned with what happened before existence. It seeks to reveal something different. How the one became the many. How unity became diversity. How the universe emerged from a single cosmic source. This is the Purusha Sukta, one of the most profound hymns of the Rigveda. The hymn opens with a vision unlike anything else in ancient literature. The Purusha had 1,000 heads, 1,000 eyes, 1,000 feet. Enveloping the earth on all sides, he extends beyond it. The rishis are not describing a giant physical being. The word 1,000 here signifies boundlessness. Every eye that sees, every foot that walks, every mind that thinks, all are expressions of the Purusha. The universe is not separate from him. The universe exists within him. The hymn then reveals something astonishing. All beings are but 1/4 of him. 3/4 remain immortal beyond. Pause and contemplate this. Everything we know, every star, every galaxy, every ocean, every mountain, every creature, the entire cosmos is only 1/4 of reality. 3/4 remain beyond creation. Beyond time, beyond space, beyond human perception. The visible universe is merely the smallest expression of a far greater existence. The hymn then presents one of its most enigmatic statements. From Purusha arose Viraj, and from Viraj arose Purusha. The hymn offers no explanation, only mystery, a cosmic cycle. The source gives rise to creation, and creation somehow gives rise to the source once more. The rishis do not simplify the very mystery. They simply invite us to contemplate it. And now we arrive at the heart of the hymn. A sacrifice is prepared. But unlike any other sacrifice known to humanity, the offering is not grain, neither whales nor animals. The offering is Purusha himself. Using Purusha as a sacred offering, the gods performed a sacrifice. This is the central image of the Purusha Sukta. The one becomes the offering. The source becomes the sacrifice, the infinite willingly becomes finite. And the entire universe emerges not through construction, but rather through transformation. The hymn continues. Spring became the clarified butter. Summer became the fuel. Autumn became the offering. The entire cosmos participates in this very primordial yajna. The sacrifice is not happening within the universe. Rather, the sacrifice is the very process through which the universe comes into being. As the cosmic sacrifice unfolds, existence begins to emerge. The hymn tells us that from this very sacrifice arose the sacred meters, the Vedic hymns, the foundations of sacred knowledge itself. Now the rishis are making a very profound statement. Knowledge is not separate from creation. Knowledge is woven into that very fabric of reality. The universe is not chaos. Rather, it possesses order, rhythm, pattern, meaning. The Brahman became his mouth, the Rajan became his arms, the Vaishya became his thighs, and the Shudras arose from his feet. Notice what the hymn emphasizes. Not separate origins, but rather a single origin. Every part of society emerges from the same cosmic source, one body, one reality, and one Purusha. The cosmic sacrifice continues, and now the universe itself unfolds. The moon was born from his mind, the sun arose from his eyes, Indra and Agni from his mouth, Vayu from his breath. What a magnificent vision! The heavens are not separate from the cosmic person, rather, they emerge from him. The cosmos is not made from external material, rather, the cosmos is Purusha transformed. From his navel came the atmosphere, from his head came the heavens, from his feet came the earth, and from his ears arose the directions. Space itself emerges. The earth emerges, the heavens emerge, order emerges, and the universe takes form. And at very first glance, the Purusha Sukta appears to be a creation hymn. But the rishis are pointing towards something deeper. The many emerge from the one, diversity emerges from unity, and every form we encounter in existence shares a common origin. The stars, the oceans, the gods, animals, humanity, knowledge, life itself, all arise from a single cosmic source. The Purusha. The Nasadiya Sukta asked a question. How did existence itself arise? The Purusha Sukta offers another vision, not of the beginning of existence, but of the unfolding of existence. A vision in which the universe emerges from the cosmic sacrifice, a vision in which the one becomes the many, a vision in which every part of the creation remains connected to its source. The rishis looked upon the world and saw not countless separate things. What they saw was one reality appearing as all realities. One Purusha appearing as all beings, and perhaps this is the very deepest message of the Hayam. Beneath all differences, beneath all forms, beneath all names, there is the only one. If you like the contents of my channel, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Eternal Tandav for more such enlightening stories across the universe. For the time being, thank you.